Want to make Valorant's graphics pop and give you a serious edge? First, let's find the Nvidia control panel. You can typically find it in your system tray, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. If it isn't there, you can alternatively search for it in your Windows search bar. Open it up. You're ready to get started. Inside the Nvidia control panel, look for the display section. On the left-hand side, under display, select Adjust Desktop Color Settings. This is the part where we will change the desktop screen. Now, in the Adjust Desktop Color Settings area, you'll want to choose your monitor. Then, focus on the Digital Vibrance slider by default. This is often set to around 50%. That's where we'll make our adjustment. The goal here is to increase the color. Start by slowly nudging the slider to the right. Try increasing the Digital Vibrance to 75% to start. Watch how the colors on your screen immediately become more vivid. While still in the Adjust Desktop Color Settings screen, open Valorant. Go into Free Play mode to test your settings. The contrast between before and after will be stark. The game's environments and characters will explode with color, helping you spot enemies, track abilities, and overall experience much better visual appeal. Experiment with the Digital Vibrance settings. Tweak the slider until you find the perfect balance for your preferred visual style and playing preferences. You should still have the ability to adequately find and identify enemies. Get out there and frag. Enjoy your newly optimized Valorant settings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Valorant tips.